honored to take this opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day, Advocate Ajikumar V. Neelambaran sir. He has been a practicing advocate in the Hon'ble High Court of Bombay since 2004. He is a legal advisor to various leading nationalized banks, corporates and having individual clients too. In the year 2010, he had started own law firm MS VNA LEGAL. He is specialized in banking civil matters and appearing as a counsel in various courts and tribunal in Mumbai, Thane and Pune. Before we start, I would like to request Advocate Neelambaran sir to say a few words and wish all the best to our finalists. Please sir.
Good morning everyone. All are just waiting for that the eager to wait that some Moot Court is going to happen. Everybody wanted to make performance correct. All are happy to see. I am also happy to see everyone. I respect Honorable Vice Chancellor Mr. Sir and Coordinator Ms. Piyush Maheshwari and esteemed faculty members and the dear students and Mr. Sanjay Saraf. He is the only person. He is a motivator also. I think that Mr. Sir is the actually I think he is proud of you all because of his that lot of experience and that will definitely share you all and you can all become a good lawyer in High Court or in Supreme Court also. I would say that today it's my pleasure to be that part of that final round, the Moot Court competition. I think that means the first and second round I think is already over, and now that means all the final rounds competition is going to be start now. I congratulations to all the teams who have already made for so far, and also your dedication and the hard work. I know that means you all have made a research work and also did so many efforts to reach over this particular point to make that the Moot Court to be a successful. See, these Moot Court competitions that are more just a legal knowledge, not just a legal knowledge, but this is just like a platform. You are giving a platform to improve your confidence. Confidence is that to speak, that you speak up. Whenever that means you are going to speak openly before the judge, not only the judge is listening, in your backside there are many people. It is not that there are eminent lawyers are there are litigants are there, everybody is keep observing how you are performing. So you should be very specific, you should be very particular and very simple also. You can convey your whatever the message which you want to convey. This is a communication. It's a language, it's a medium of communication. Whatever you are making submissions, very precisely, to the point. Don't make it elaborately, that means don't confuse the judge. Certain lawyers are that means made for confusing the judge because they don't have any case. So make the confuse and then keep that lack the matters for that. So that is also one kind of practice. You should not do such things. Make it precise. Whatever that means the works to be done is that they do exercise very hard working. That I would say that the dedication and hard working, this is one of the best noble profession. I can say that it's one of the best noble profession because there is no age bar. Have you heard about that? The senior counsel that is appeared in that senior most eminent lawyer in Mr. Ramchat Malani. He was practicing that means at the fag of that means whenever that means it's almost 90 plus, but still that he was practicing that till that means that it is demise. So why there is no age bar? So that is also one of the important aspects we need to look into that. This is kind of that this profession, how to become that means the good lawyer. That is a more important. See that there are 300 students or 400 students are year out from every year in all colleges. We can just analyze that how many of the students are year out from this college, how many are still now in practice. I would say that in my batch in 2004, there were 300 students were there. But I could now see handful. I can say that around less than 10 students, 10 lawyers are actively participating in this court. But That's not that I'm not saying that they are in the practice of the corporate or they are working in the corporate and other things. But why these 10 students, wherever they were out of 300 students, only the handful 10 students, they are out, they are still in practice. So practice is not that. I'm saying that if you continue to make an effort and a dedication, definitely that means you could able to become a good lawyer. So that's the Mr. Body said that you be honest and that you should be completely dedicated to a profession. That is the first advice to that. It is not that this platform is given, maybe that someone will win, someone will lose, but it doesn't matter. All are that means once that the law graduate, all are up to the par. It's not that means I got the Moot Court that win that I would get to the priority or nothing. Don't think about that. Participate it confidently. Whatever you want to make your submission should be very precise and clear, audible. That's only. If you don't know that, state for that, I don't know that means things that I'm sorry, I could make it for next time. But don't make it that confuse the judge, don't make any false statements before the court. When you become a lawyer, then you are the officer of the court. You should respect the dice also, the judge, whoever it may be, that the judge you should be respected. Whatever he may be wrong, decision may be wrong, but there is an appeal provisions are there, how to take the matter higher. But then you cannot criticize the judge, you can debate it, but you cannot criticize the judge in the open court. That is the first and foremost. But I would say that these are all our students, they are doing well. I know that means they are all prepared also. I hope that you all do very well, and I don't want to lengthy speech from there, but I would say that definitely that not only that means this today, if I get an opportunity, definitely that I will come one day for here for a speech, and elaborately that means definitely I want the Mr. Sir said, that's for a motivation, definitely I will come one day, and that means I share my experience. How could become that being a non-Maharishyan or how could become the stand over here, then it will be definitely a motivation for you all. Definitely, I'm damn sure that when I have become the college first rank holder, so I know that means how to become that means a good lawyer also. I would say that definitely I'll come one day and then definitely I will share my experience. But today that means you all are ready. So I'm wishing everyone, all the participants, the very best to perform well and make your efforts. I'm not saying that you make your efforts. Confidently, don't say that means I may be wrong, I may be right or not. But you make whatever that, don't divert it or that whatever the question is asking, that answer it and participate it. But that's only that. The rest of the leave to the court. Okay? Thank you so much for giving me that.